This new Kia Carens Clavis CNG, it's going to save your family a massive 3 rupees per kilometer over petrol, making every single drive lighter on your wallet. But here's the mind-blowing truth. Is this heavily awaited MPV still smarter than an EV for your wallet and worries? Or is it already a generation behind? You saw the spy shots. You heard the whispers. And now, Tech Meets Travel can confirm. Kia is gearing up to unleash the Carens Clavis CNG. This is a factory-fitted solution designed to be India's most compelling family mover, especially for those obsessed with running costs. This isn't just another variant, folks. This is Kia's strategic answer to surging fuel prices and the very real concerns of large Indian families. So why the Clavis? Because it strikes that sweet spot, likely a mid-spec offering that gives you essential features, excellent safety, and that crucial factory-fitted CNG assurance without pushing the price into premium territory. Expect this game-changer to hit showrooms in late 2024 or early 2025. Now, while CNG isn't a global trend for 7-seater MPVs, this launch is a clear signal of Kia's deep understanding of the Indian market. Here, fuel efficiency often trumps all else, especially when you're chauffeuring 7 people. All right, let's talk about the specs that actually matter to you. The Carens Clavis CNG will likely use the familiar 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine, adapted, of course, for CNG. In CNG mode, expect power to be around 90 to 95 brake horsepower, down from the petrol's 115 brake horsepower, with a similar proportional drop in torque. But here's the number you're really waiting for: mileage. Expect a real-world figure of around 23 to 25 kilometers per kilogram of CNG. With a typical 12 to 14 kilogram CNG tank capacity, that translates to a usable range of 250 to 300 kilometers on a single fill. Now, the big question for MPV buyers: boot space. This is where it gets a little tricky. While Kia is a master of packaging, fitting a large CNG cylinder means sacrificing some of the Carens cavernous 495 liters of boot space with the third row folded. Expect the cylinder to occupy a significant portion, potentially limiting you to soft bags or a roof carrier for those long family trips. Don't fall for marketing images showing a full boot. The CNG tank is a physical reality. Ground clearance will remain a healthy 195 millimeters, perfect for unpredictable roads. And safety? The petrol Carens scored a respectable 3-star global NCAP rating. With a factory-fitted CNG kit and Kia's engineering, we expect that structural integrity to hold strong, which is a huge differentiator from aftermarket installations. All right, let's break down the numbers that really hit home. The Kia Carens Clavis CNG is expected to launch with an ex-showroom price starting at 12.5 lakh rupees. Now, for an on-road estimate in a city like Mumbai or Delhi, factor in registration, road tax, and insurance, bringing it close to 14.5 lakh rupees. If you take a loan for, say, 11.5 lakh rupees, assuming a down payment of 3 lakh rupees, your EMI at 8.5% for 60 months will be approximately 23,500 rupees. Insurance alone will set you back around 55,000 rupees for just the first year. But where this car truly shines is in its running cost. Let's do the viral comparison. All right, a Kia Carens petrol delivering 14 kilometers per liter with petrol at, say, 105 rupees a liter in Mumbai. That costs you roughly 7.5 rupees per kilometer. The Carens Clavis CNG at 24 kilometers per kilogram, with CNG at 85 rupees per kilogram, slashes that to a stunning 3.54 rupees per kilometer. That's a direct saving of nearly 4 rupees per kilometer. Now, let's bring in the EV reality. A car like the Tata Nexon EV-MR, costing around 15 lakh rupees on road, with electricity at 8 rupees per unit and an efficiency of 10 kilometers per kilowatt hour, runs at just 0.8 rupees per kilometer. So, how does the Carens CNG stack up against its competition? First up, the segment leader, the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga CNG. It starts at around 10.7 lakh rupees ex-showroom for its mid-spec Zishi variant. The Ertiga is reliable, practical and incredibly frugal at nearly 26 kilometers per kilogram. But the Carens, it offers a more premium interior, better safety features,